Hello! We are excited you'll be joining us for Rock the Nest Trivia Night. This video will show you how to start playing the audio trivia game during our event. When trivia begins, we will automatically transfer you into a Zoom breakout room. If you have any other virtual team members on your call, they will also be transferred into your breakout room. And you'll see now that our host is going to automatically transfer me to my breakout room. And you can see now that I'm in my breakout room, and my other team member, Will, is also here with me. And down at the bottom of the screen, there's a couple of button options that we can go over. On the far left, we have the mute button, share and stop your video. You're able to see a list of participants who are on your team, as well as a chat option for people on your team. And the most important one for this purpose is the share screen button. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you can see that we're going to share my screen with you. And I'm going to go ahead and open up a new window here and go to google.com, and you're going to need the link that you received when you got your welcome email from us. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste that in. I already have that link. And it's going to take us to the splash screen, and you're going to go ahead and just type in the name of the team that you signed up with. And so for this purpose, it will be Team Awesome, and your email of the team captain. And we also need your telephone number, just so in case you have any questions or when you win, we can reach out to you. I'm going to go ahead and hit go. Perfect. And this screen pops up when you successfully registered with the trivia platform. As you can see here, nothing has started yet. There will be a timer on the countdown at the top of the screen for the day of the event, letting you know how much time you have before the trivia round begins. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen and take back to Zoom. One other important option that I really wanted to show you was this Ask for Help button. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And basically this just notifies the host that you have a question or you need technical assistance. And so I'm going to go ahead and click the Invite Host button. And this will notify the host that we have a question. And there's our host, Carrie.
Hi, thank you for your patience. What questions do you have, Josh?
I think we just want to know the answers to all the trivia questions right now.
Unfortunately, I can't do that.
Oh, shoot. Okay, well, thank you, Carrie, for stopping and trying to help. We appreciate it.
Of course.
And you'll see here, Carrie's going to leave after she answers our question. Unfortunately, she couldn't give us any trivia answers today. But after a certain period of time after the trivia round ends, we will be pulled back into our main Zoom session. And you can see here with this pop-up. So it'll automatically pull us back after 60 seconds. Otherwise, we can hit that Leave Breakout Room button, and it'll take us there immediately. And so we'll go ahead and do that. And we're back in the main session. And just a reminder, if you do have any issues of the night of the event, feel free to send us an email or call us on the phone number provided on the welcome email. If you do get kicked out, please make sure that you log back on using the credentials that he provided us with your Zoom account information. And as always, thank you for your continued support, and good luck.